Hi guys, welcome back to Roni Adventures, and today we're doing something not usual. We would normally have football cards here, but we have Pokemon. Yup, Pokemon has just been going up, so I decided let's go.
Plus it's banned in Target.
Yeah, it's now everyone's fighting over it. So we have Pokemon here. We have 4 packs of Chilling Reign. And we have a pre-release box of Darkness Ablaze. So we're looking for the Charizard VMAX. I think everyone would be. We want the Shadow Rider, Blaziken, Snorlax, Blaziken Full Art V, Shadow Rider Full Art V, and we want the Snorlax Gold card. We have 8 packs today. So what do you want to start with?
Can I start?
Yeah, well, you want to start with the Darkness Ablaze or Chilling Reign?
Let's start with the oldies and then save the newies for last.
I think. Yes, we have a scissors. I'm trying to preserve this box as much as I can over the times.
Yep, because it's pretty rare.
So, we want to slide it out. Just like this. Just slide. That's a very horrifying sound, and it pops open just like this. You got your booster packs. So we have all the cards in there. We have the holo right there. So we'll save that for later. And then we have this thing about building tips.
Last but not least, the packs.
Not least, the packs. So we have an Eternus pack. Eternus. Don't know who he is. The Charizard pack, of course. So we're gonna get these tins out of the way so we can see stuff. Okay, so which pack would you like to pick?
I already have the Charizard VMAX.
Yes, Eddie has pulled the Charizard VMAX. Okay.
Eternus.
I'll go this. I can pick one more pack. Charizard pack. That's okay. Let's get this out of your way. So, yep. You know how to open them?
Not really.
So you do this and then bend like this, and then you crack it open. And then you pull. Okay, we'll use the scissors for Eddie. Okay. So do you know the pack trick?
Yep. 5 cards.
4 cards.
Oh yeah, 4 cards.
Okay, I'll go first. Ooh, I got something.
Code.
Eddie has nothing because of the green. So we have the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Lightning Energy. We have a Tox Box. I really don't know the name of that one. So we'll just be laying those down as we go. We have a Clang. Simsage. Electro Strike. Dino. Pasman. We have a Bonebee. Bunnelby, sorry. Vanally. Vanality. We have a Ace-Glore Holo, and a rare card is a Holo Toxtricity Holo. That will do it for our first one. We have our Holos. We'll sweep that bad boy up. Your turn.
Okay, anyway, the code card. Should I show Darkness Ablaze?
Yeah, here. We'll show it to them.
1,
The code card right there, guys.
3, and then 4. Fire Energy.
Yep.
Goffrita.
A Pierce! A powerful Pierce. I didn't get a trainer in mine, so.
Powerful Energy.
Yep.
Reap.
Nice.
Psychic Snubble. Tauros. Rudiki. We already have that.
Oh, Mr. Mime? Thank you. I need this. Wait, I'm gonna sleep. Let me sleep, Mr. Mime.
A
Holo Cuffin.
And then this
We have our rare card is a
X.
non-hollow Exavert.
It's pretty good.
Non-hollow. So our hit so far is this Toxtricity.
Can we sleeve these up?
Yep, sleeve them. I'll sleeve the rare card. Let's save the sleeves. We'll save them. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Next pack. I'll go first. And now you can't weigh the packs. Has anyone known that? You can't not weigh the packs to see if there's anything inside. I have another white code card. Hopefully that Charizard VMAX. 3-4 to the front. And
Fighting energy.
Fighting Energy.
Grimwood Tangle.
Grimwood Tangle trainer card. You have a Larion. Simpor.
Dino again.
Another Dino.
Jigglypuff.
I'll say them. Jigglypuff. Dunsprace. A Kling. Marini. Okay.
Marini.
We have a Trapinch. Oh! A Vikvolt V. So that is our first hit, is a V card. We'll get that one in the sleeve right away.
Okay, get the scissors out of the way.
There we go, guys. We'll top load that one while we're at it.
Green.
A green.
Probably something bad. Or worse.
But that's a very...
A Leaf Energy. Spankmon.
Ooh, a Bird Keeper. There we go.
Steamy. Torchic. Starly. Something to go with the Bird Keeper. Scramorty. A Pansage. A Lestrike. Old PC.
Hollow and a Mug non-hollow. So that's a rare card right there. Our hollow cards. So that was it for Darkness Ablaze. No Charizards. Sadly, Chilling Rain time.
Okay.
We almost have all the pack cards. So I want these two. These are yours.
Can I at least have one bird?
No, I want the bird. Okay, I'll go first. So you're just going to rip it off, just like this. Then you get your pack inside. There we go. Wait, that was a different pack. That's weird. Okay. Come on, come on. This is the new set, by the way.
There has to be something good at least in one.
Come on. Hopefully these packs... Oh, come on. It's a dud pack. We'll still do the card trick. There's a code. Get it while you can. 4-pack. I meant the 4-card trick. We have a Fighting Energy. A Penal trainer. We have a Honey trainer. We have a Drizzle.
Rapid Style.
We have a Venipede. Venipede.
Bouncy.
Bounce Wet. Oh, we got a Lapras. Got a Britzel.
Rapid Strike.
Blitzel.
Rapid Strike.
Sadly. We have an Air Rune. Oh! Reverse. Oh my god, look. We have the Aaron and the Hollow Evolution of Aaron. We have an Aragon.
A repeat.
Oh my god! Okay, can we get what the heck in the chat? Look it! That's a lot of reverses.
Arian, and then 2 of the same. This one's like hollow and the other one's not.
We have a hollow, a rare, and then we have an... Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey, at least we got a hollow rare.
Yeah, I'm gonna open this one now.
Okay.
See what we have. Ooh, Shinin Rain, the bird one.
Haha. There's a rare.
Scissors, please. See what's inside here. Green code, like Carter.
Oof. We got another dud pack.
For a card trick.
I'm gonna get all these
A
bases.
water energy. Ooh, Raboot. Single strike. Agatha. Rapid strike, School of Skies. Esquivo. Crabwaller. Grookey. Rapid strike. Score Bunny. Rapid strike. Aaron.
Again.
Reading Gloves. And Kelkun. Rapid strike.
That's a rare. That was a rare.
Hey, that's like
I know.
mine.
I'm putting it in I'm putting it with the stuff. Where's the rare card? Okay, gonna have these cards. So we have an old PC, we have a mug, we have that, and we have that. Yeah, that. Okay. There we go. Next booster pack. We got the bird or blister pack.
Hopefully, it's not what it looks like.
And we're gonna put that up with our hits. Come on, not green, not green, not green.
I think it's a white.
And yeah! Our chance has prevailed. Got the code card there. 1, 2, 3, 4 cards to the front. Hopefully we have something. Water energy. Impact energy, single strike. That's a good card. Patch to peak. We have a drizzle rapid strike.
Reverse.
It's not a reverse.
Now you got that before.
We have a coughing.
Shop it.
Shop it. All alone. We have a skill boot. We have a Shapiro. A Swirlix. Okay. We have a Heat Cross single strike. And oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Don't touch it. Oh my god. Oh, that card's worth a lot of money. Galarian Moltres V. Hey, where's the packer? Where's the packer? Oh my. Let's go. We did it! Woo!
Let's find out what's in this pack.
Oh my god, guys. Let's flipping go. Oh my god. There we go, everyone.
Green code, nothing.
We got that right there.
4 cards.
Beautiful. It's
Psychic
beautiful.
energy. Crushing gloves.
We're hoping for a hollow for Eddie.
Kyria. Justified gloves. And my luck ran out. I got Charizard VMAX ever since. My luck. It's gone. Bistel. Single strike. Aeron. Deerling.
Another Aeron?
Delbird. A Lavender Star. A Hollow Sneevar. That's at least worth like $3.
That's a reverse. C-Par.
Hey, why do you get like the good one?
I'm not. I'm putting them in the pile. And our rare is Gurlark. So, if we go onto our hit recap. So, what I pulled was insane. I got, first we have the Toxtricity Hollow. We got a Moltres V. Galarian Moltres V. And we got a Vikavolt V. And if we go over, we have Zip Over. We have a Yeah, these are all our hollows. World PC. And we got that. Okay.
And here's another pack.
Those are all of our rares right here, right?
Heracross, Golek, Cuffit, Muck, Airgron, and Kelkin. You don't see a Kelkin every day.
No, you don't. That is for true. That's supposed to go right there.
Anyway, wonder what's in here.
Yep. So, let's do this. And it does come with a hit.
Can I have it? Because you got like 2 V's already in hot.
Hey, I pulled it. It's my luck, dog. We have the white
If
code
there's a
card.
V, it's going to be mine.
Purple Pierce. A hoop. Professor's research. I'm just gonna go through all these cards. We have a Darkrai, a Dino, another Dino, a Zuvis, a Zeus, Hydran, Kabu, Dan, Milo, Tapu-Koko,
Rare fossil.
3 rare fossils. We have a Dragaskull and a Dragazult. The rare card is, we got a, promo, not a promo, Sword and Shield, Darkness Ablaze, Hollow, Hydran. There we go. We'll get that bad boy in the sleeve right there. So, 4 out of 8. 4 dud packs, 4 good packs. The Moltres, we already got our money back, $158 Moltres. It's a fun Pokemon opening. So, how did you guys like it? Comment below, like and subscribe. If we can get this to 20 likes, we'll do some more Pokemon. Or we might just want to because Pokemon, right? So, Roni Adventures, signing off for now, making every adventure a great one.